Hey, so today another day, the third day when I was practicing my flights with my drone. And unfortunately I live close by to the approach to the runway in Edinburgh. I'm still within legal limit. I can't go above 60 meters and I didn't. I tried to keep myself between 30 and 45 meters, and the farther I went towards Cramon Island, and that was about 600 meters on an altitude of I think 40 meters. Now a couple of shots and then I did the panorama as well, which looks absolutely cool, like 360 degrees camera, like Insta 360 or whatever. So that's cool. And I do have my IDs, Flyer ID, Operator ID for the UK and for European Union, because I've passed exam in a second country, in Poland actually. So I do have a valid Operator ID and Flyer ID for the whole of the EU, as well obviously for the UK with the UK one. Yeah, the helipad in my opinion is a must. It's really helpful when you land and you actually take off from the surface like this, which is grass. And I'm pretty sure it's going to be helpful quite as well when you take off from the location where there's plenty of sand or some kind of loose gravel or some stones. I think that the rain is coming, so I'll be wrapping my stuff. The wind is actually quite decent. The gusts are up to 23, 24 miles per hour, which is the top of the wind resistance for the Mini 3 Pro. I think is between 19 and 24 miles per hour the wind. So yeah, that's going to be tops, which is absolutely amazing. I'm so happy I bought this drone, and I know I was missing out not having a drone previously, but now when I have this drone I'm just waiting for extra batteries, because one battery it's not enough. Be honest, it's not enough. But yeah, I hope you also enjoyed my unboxing. And remember, who's the sponsor of today's video? It's 365vibesstore.com. If you want to win a t-shirt or a mug, visit bigfieldonline.com or check the description of this video and click the link, and then just follow a couple of steps, and then you can be in a draw for the month of May and you can win a t-shirt or a mug. Sponsored by 365vibesstore.com. Oh, I'm in love with this drone. Absolutely, I'm in love with this drone. That's going to be a great addition to my YouTube channel. Honestly, I'm already in love. And I'm exploring more and more options and features of this drone as well. And there was an update of the software, which I saw a couple of videos on YouTube about that update. So I will use some features from that update as well. My laptop at the moment won't be able to deal with a 10-bit cinema profile for it. But yeah, I think that the one, which is the 8-bit one, normal one, will be enough. Yeah, that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Cheers!